Hey guys, this is the Dark Alone here with a brand new unboxing video of newly launched gaming earbuds. This is the first, not the last unboxing video on this channel, so here we go. Uh, this earbud is launched last week and I got this from Amazon, on which the launch offer is also going on, in which you can get it at the price of 1999 rupees, which is available in two colors only, black and white. I got this black variant. The packaging of Rogue is up to the mark. It's as premium as you get. And so let's get started and cut this thing open. So here we go. So first you get you get this paperwork of booklets and paper stuffs. As you can see, there's bunch of papers you can see, and so let's put them aside and we'll focus on the product. So that is the case of the earbud, which is looking pretty good, and the design is so futuristic, as you can see. So we'll get to it. So there's another box in which let's see what is there. So let's open it. So there's a pouch in which you can see the charging cable, and another pouch in which you can see different sizes of the tips of earbuds. So according to your size of ear, you can use a tip, and by this charging cable you can charge your case. And the case is looking pretty good. The designing team has done the great job on this product. Look at the design and the RGB placing on this case. The branding in the front, and in the right hand side you'll get the Type-C port. In the front you'll get the RGB lighting. The logo you can see, like, look at this beautiful piece. And let's open it, and these are the birds that you can see, and they are looking pretty. According to the design, they are very much likable and slim, and they fit perfectly in your ears. And the features can be accessed by touching the logo on these birds, and you can check them out in the manual, as they mentioned. Two different types of earbuds tips and cable came along with the product. And so the final thoughts on this earbuds are: the features are totally worth the price, the looks are perfect, on point, and gamers can check them out totally. The bass and sound are also excellent on these, so you can totally check them out. And hopefully you like this video. Please do like, subscribe and comment on this video, and share your love. Thank you.